Alright, so with the muffler flipped around, sounds like this. I think it's better than before. Not 100% sure what it does. I don't know about performance. I gotta put it on the road. But, you know, for my application, just going to work and back home, what does it really matter if it has 450 horsepower or 400 or 380? I pass who I want to pass, and I don't if I don't have to. And, I mean, my commute is like 15 minutes, so it doesn't really matter. But at least I'm on a truck. It sounds good. This sounds good. Alright, boys, you got it? So, get the Gibson. That sounds good anyways, no matter what. I think it's the best sounding muffler from what I've seen. That's why I bought it. I think this is like, I'm not sure, like $600. And the white pipe with the catalytic converter is $400 or vice versa. So for $1,000 to get a full system, obviously without the manifold or the headers, which costs an extra like $300. But from there down, the white pipe, the 2 catalytic converters, the whole pipe down to the exhaust, to the muffler, to the end pipe, it's about $1,000 done. And the O2 sensors, I think they were like $40 each or 30. So you need 4, 2 front, 2 rear, and that's it. Okay, got it. Good. The fishing will out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. You know the drill. And that's my 2001 Suburban. Thanks, guys.